Jom kita buat soalan LO2.1. Kita ada 3 kapasitor dengan bateri 12 volt. Saya labelkan C3V3, C6V6 dan C9V9. Mari mengenali sirkit kita. Daripada plate positif, charge akan mengalir dan terbahagi kepada dua bahagian, iaitu yang melalui C3 dan C6. Kemudian bercantun semula dan melalui C9. This means Q3 plus Q6 equals Q9. And Q9 is the Q total. Since capacitor C3 and C6 are in parallel, the potential difference V6 and V3 are the same. And let's call them V36. And V36 plus V9, which is in series, will give us V total. The question is asking for energy for each capacitor. And we have 3 equations of energy for that. U equals to half CV squared, U equals to half QV, and U equals to half Q squared over C. And I choose to use the first equation. And for that, let's find the effective capacitance first. Kita selesaikan sungai yang terkecil dulu, iaitu sungai 36. And since they are in parallel, your final answer is 9 to the power of negative 6 farad. And finally, you can get your effective capacitance by using this equation. And the effective capacitance is 4.5 to the power of negative 6 farad. Next step is to find the total charge that passed through the circuit. Qt equals to Ce times Vt. And the final answer is 5.4 to the power of negative 5 coulomb. And if you remember, I want to use U equals to half CV squared. So now I have to find V9, V3 and V6. V9 equals to Q9 over C9. Why is Q9 is Q total? Well, it's here. Proceed with the calculation and the final answer is 6 volt. Next, let's find V3. I get this equation from here. Substitute everything and your V3 is 6 volt. And our main objective is to find the energy for each capacitor. Let's find U3 first. U3 equals to half C3 V3 squared. Substitute all the values that we have calculated. And the final answer is 5.4 to the power of negative 5 joule. The next one, U6. U6 equals to half C6 V6 squared. And since V3 and V6 are in parallel, they are the same. You substitute all the values and your final answer is 1.08 to the power of negative 4 joule. And lastly, U9 with the same equation. And the final answer is 1.62 to the power of negative 4 joule. And that's all. Thank you for watching.